I'm back. Welcome back to Planet Bentley. Today we're gonna make a volcano erupt. Step 1. First, we put on Play-Doh on the cup that I cutted. Step 2. Put the cup inside the cup that is cutted. We're gonna put baking soda in the cup. Guys, we just put 10 milliliters of baking soda inside the cup. Okay guys, now we're gonna put some red fruit coloring inside this vinegar cup. You can choose any color. Now that we're done that, you close your lid. You gotta stir it. Guys, remember safety first. Now that we're done that, we're gonna pour it in. Oh! What do you think, guys? I love it. I didn't expect that would happen. Guys, that one went out perfect. We're gonna do it again. Do the same thing. Put vinegar. Baking soda. Some fruit coloring. Again. We should make them more red. We're done that. Now, again, we're gonna pour it. Oh! Let's do it one more time in a replay. It's a third time that we're gonna do it. We added more vinegar than the last.
More baking soda.
More baking soda than the last 2 times. Put the safety goggles on. We're done that. Now we're gonna put the vinegar like we did last time.
Baking soda.
Baking soda. Why do I keep forgetting that? Then we're gonna do this. Grab the vinegar cup and fruit coloring. Then pour a couple drops. And of course, the most important part, stir. Now, we're gonna pour it. Oh! The last volcano eruption video went out pretty good, but we missed a step. So that's why I'm back here from that last video. Guys, let's get back to some laughs. What do you call a cold puppy? A chili dog. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye, guys.